Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified, where we break down complex topics into easy steps. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Chainlink from Uphold to Robinhood in 2025. Chainlink, or Link, is a popular cryptocurrency used for smart contracts, and moving it between platforms like Uphold and Robinhood can help you manage your portfolio more effectively. Whether you're looking to trade on Robinhood or just consolidate your assets, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Uphold and Robinhood, and that you have some Chainlink tokens in your Uphold wallet. Also, double-check that Robinhood supports Chainlink deposits. By 2025, it should, but always verify on their site. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your Chainlink holdings. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually under the asset details. Click on that to start the process. Step 2. You'll need the Robinhood wallet address. Head over to your Robinhood app or website, go to your wallet section, and copy the deposit address for Chainlink. Make sure it's specifically for Link. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive and unique to each asset. Step 3. Back on Uphold, paste that Robinhood address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees if applicable. Chainlink uses the Ethereum network, so expect some gas fees. By 2025, these might be lower with advancements like Layer 2 solutions. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address to avoid sending your crypto to the wrong place. That could mean permanent loss. Once you're good, hit confirm and authorize the transaction, probably with two-factor authentication for security. After that, sit tight. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Step 5. Once it's done, log back into Robinhood and check your wallet to confirm the Chainlink has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just wait a bit longer or contact support. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Chainlink from Uphold to Robinhood. Remember, crypto is volatile, so always stay informed and secure your accounts. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.